Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Taz. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make chickpea sundal, or it's more like a South Indian snack made with chickpeas, where cooked chickpeas is stir fried with some seasonings and grated coconut. So I'm going to make the sundal in the awesome instant pot. I have it over here, and here I have already cooked the chickpeas. I cooked the chickpeas in the instant pot, so I didn't even soak the chickpeas overnight or for long hours. I just added the dried chickpeas into the instant pot, added some water. So I used 3 cups of dried chickpeas, so I added 6 cups of water, and then I pressure cooked at high pressure for about 30 minutes, and it came out perfect, as you can see over here. So goodbye to canned chickpeas. Okay, so let's get into cooking. So here is the instant pot. So for making chickpea sundal, we are gonna make this in the saute mode. So click on the saute here, click on that. So it has turned to hot mode now. So now we can add the oil. So add 2 tablespoons of oil. So let the oil turn hot, and we are going to add half teaspoon mustard seeds, and let the mustard seeds splutter. Okay, so the seeds have started to splutter. So now let's add 2 dried red chilies. Give it a stir. One handful of curry leaves and a pinch of asafoetida. Mix well. So to this we're going to add the chopped onions. So saute till onions turn light golden in color. So we are going to add around 3 cups of cooked chickpeas. That's 2, and we have 1 more. 3 cups there. So let's cook it for 3 minutes. Okay, add some salt and give it a good mix. Now to this I like to add some spices. So I'm gonna add around half teaspoon of chili powder, turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix well. Now I'm going to add half cup grated coconut. Have a taste, and if you need more salt, add accordingly. So towards the end we are going to add lime or lemon juice. So I have fresh lime here, so squeeze it. That's about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Okay. If you want, you could even add cilantro or chopped coriander leaves, or even mint leaves. That will make it a little more aromatic. So yes, so we have made the chickpea sundal. Looks perfect. So now I'm ready to enjoy this. Here's our chickpea sundal that's made in the instant pot. It smells very aromatic and it tastes delicious. I'm ready to dig in. So this is a perfect snack on a rainy, gloomy day or on a fall day. I hope you all enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like and share this video. I'll be back with more videos. Until then, happy cooking!